Ever found yourself trapped in the cycle of negative habits? You're certainly not the only one. Welcome to an interactive journey towards freeing yourself from these chains. We all struggle with these habits, be it procrastination, negativity, or unhealthy eating. Can you relate? Let's dive into the problem together. The first step to breaking free is acknowledging these habits. Can you identify yours? Now, let's explore what triggers these habits. Is it stress? Boredom? Identifying these triggers is like turning on a light in a dark room. Once you've got them in sight, you can begin to take control. Now for the exciting part, let's replace the negative with the positive. How about swapping that bag of chips for a fruit, or replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations? Remember the story of the person who switched from late-night snacking to yoga? That could be you. It takes about 21 days to form a new habit, so consistency is key. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, it's all about taking it one step at a time. Are you ready to start this journey? Which habit are you planning on tackling first? Share your progress in the comments below. Together, we can strive towards a healthier, happier you.